Let's say you came across this question in your nursing exam. How will you solve it? It is very easy. Now let's solve together. The question says, which of the following is a subjective data? Now listen properly. In nursing, we have two types of data, which are subjective and objective data. For the subjective data, these are data that the patient reports, or these are data that the patient states, whereby for objective data, these are data that are measured or observed by a healthcare professional. So from this question, they are asking us to determine which data here is a subjective data. And I just explained to you that subjective data are those data that the patient reports or the patient says. So what becomes the answer to this question? The answer to this question becomes option D, because the patient reports pain. A nurse cannot determine or say when a patient is feeling pain. Pain, according to a man called Margot McAfee, he said that pain is whatever the patient says it is and exists whenever the patient says it does. Are you there? So this is a subjective data because the patient is the one reporting. Are you there? Because subjective data are those data that are reported, that are stated by patients. Whereby for option A to option C, these are, data that a nurse or a healthcare professional can actually measure or observe, like the vital signs, which include blood pressure, pulse, respiration, temperature. All of these are data that can be observed by a healthcare professional, like laboratory investigation, which include the hematocrit level of a patient, the hemoglobin level of a patient, the blood glucose level of a patient. All of these are laboratory investigations. And for option C, which says ECG result, ECG is called electrocardiogram, all right? Electrocardiogram is the result findings from an instrument or a machine called the electrocardiograph. Remember, the electrograph measures the electrical activities of the heart. Are you there? So you can see how this question was tackled without stress. It is not difficult. We've come to the end of this video lesson. If you find my video lesson helpful, make sure you click on the subscribe button to my YouTube channel and also share my lessons with your friends. Thanks for watching.